Hi everyone, this is Sister Lindsay here to show you how to find the new 2019 Come Follow Me lessons. Step 1, go to lds.org. Step 2, click on Serve and Teach. Step 3, click on Young Women. Step 4, click on Sunday Lessons here on the left. Step 5, scroll down and locate Young Women. Click on Curriculum. Next, click on the Young Women Come Follow Me manual. This will take you to the manual. This first page that says Overview is some basic instructions for the teacher. And we are going to have girls and leaders teach, so this is good for everyone to know. Know and love your class. Pray for them, ponder their needs. Decide what to teach. Review monthly doctrinal topics and available outlines. You may be thinking, where do I find this? Right here to the left. Just like last year, there are 12 topics, one for each month of the year, starting here with the Godhead. The only difference is we are now able to be more flexible if we feel our class needs a certain lesson at a certain time. Unless the leaders and the girls in your class feel that you need a certain lesson, it's easiest if we simply stick to the order here on the left. So it would be January, the Godhead, February, the Plan of Salvation, March, the Atonement of Jesus Christ, and so on. If you click on the Godhead for January, you will see lessons just like last year, and you can choose which one that you feel inspired to teach. Let's say you choose How Can I Know My Heavenly Father? So you're going to click that one, and below you click on Counsel Together and Share Experiences, and here is your lesson. There are scriptures to read up here. There are links to conference talks, videos to share, just like before. So there's 3 parts: counsel together and share experiences. You'll talk about how your class is doing. You're going to learn, which is to teach the lesson, and then you're going to plan to act. The church has encouraged us to counsel in our class presidencies about if we feel certain lessons are needed at certain times. If this is the case for your class, you can choose lessons from one of these 12 here on the side. If not, it is easiest just to keep to January for the Godhead, February, Plan of Salvation, March would be the Atonement, and so on. The church has also said if there are conference talks we would like to include to enhance our lessons, we can do that as well. Following each general conference, we are invited to spend time in Sunday meetings, learning from the messages given by living prophets and apostles and other church leaders. But these right here on the left are the topics that all the girls and leaders teach from. It is very similar to before, we just have more flexibility in the schedule, or if our particular class needs to spend more time on a particular lesson, we can. So you have more flexibility to follow the Spirit. That is the main change. Other than that, this is what we use. Say you want to teach marriage and family, here are the lessons. Why is family important? Click below, and this is your lesson, just like before. Scriptures, conference talks, videos. So this is how it's going to work in 2019. Just a few small tweaks. It should be great. And don't forget, if you need help, your leaders are always there for you, and we love you.